Hello friends, today in this video we'll see how to check the warranty for the Microsoft Surface Pro laptop. So I had a laptop where I need to check the warranty for that, so I thought to share you with you as well if you wanted to check in any time in the future. So for that, just go to the Google and type check warranty for the Microsoft Surface. Then this search will come up. Then go for the second one. Then here you can write country, serial number, and captcha. So the country I am right now is in Australia, and the laptop is from Australia. So serial number, just type your serial number. I'll put the link on the video description too, so you can check it out from there. Then click on submit button. Then this page will come up where you will get all the information about your laptop name, model number, and the serial number, and about the standard warranty condition, which is expired in my condition. So you can check your warranty like this and call for the help if needed. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.